Hey guys, today I will be reacting to intros. Sorry guys. By the way, I don't know if I spelled that right. Hope so. Okay, so it's 1:15 a.m. So I'm sorry if I'm not completely into it right now. Let's see. Let's see. One of the worst intros. Let's see.
What's up, guys? Me and the Pro Gamer Jay are doing a collab. If you've enjoyed this collab, be sure to subscribe to him. What we're going to be doing is...
Yeah, I don't even know Mr. Beast.
Intros.
I'm
We're
so sorry. Oh my gosh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Intro the best.
Leave my screen. Thank you. Okay. I honestly don't know intros. I'm just gonna do this. Let's see how these are. It's really good actually. Do not. Alright, let's stop it there. To be honest, for that one, I feel like they need better music. I don't really like that music with that. And maybe a different color because yellow is not really my favorite. But it's fine. Good job, anyways. Okay, that's my favorite now. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. I want that. I just want to snatch it. Yup. Everyone, have some ideas, please. Oh yeah, no. Unfortunately, I don't like that one. I mean, maybe if you had some more animations or something like that, and better music, again, like, that's... I already seen, like, 4 colored, like, 2 or 3 color yellow that intro, so I'm kind of getting sick of that. No. I swear, for the last one, I'm pretty sure if someone had earphones, I'm pretty sure their ears would bleed because that had so much bass. Maybe they could calm down on that, but it's okay. I mean, still bravo, because I can never do that, but still, that's just my opinion. Yep. Right there, guys. That's what more people need. They need, like, less bass. I mean, he had some bass, but, like, it's not extreme bad. And then, look at all that colorful. That's just so colorful, like, yeah.
Check this out.
Okay. I mean, it's good. It's good. It's just the sound is repeating my noise. But it's fine. Like, for the other ones, they have like a this one, like, what is that? I'm kidding. It's still good. It's still good. But, not the best. Yeah. Right there, guys. Take some notes. He is great. GG. I mean, whatever. I mean, it's the same repeating sound, but it's okay. guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like these. I hope you guys have some ideas, or I hope you just like watching this, because I did. I mean, these are pretty sick. Like, I would even use these if I knew how to do it, of course, but I just don't pay attention too much to YouTube. This is one of my things where I just upload randomly out of the blue, because I'm not the biggest YouTuber, so I don't really need to post every single day because not too many people view it. So, please like and subscribe. Like, that'd mean a lot, because if I got more subscribers, I bet maybe if I get 100 subscribers, I'll start actually like editing and putting my time into it. Just right now, I'm just trying to like be creative right now and just like see what's out there, and Alright, so see you guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day, because you should, because y'all amazing. Yeah.